It's shredding everything. It's mad. It's longing for freedom. Goodbye.
Wait, no, it's going for the
Okay. What the heck is that? Look at what he did to all the trucks. Wait, what's that? Kevin, wait. The Lamborghini. I just saw it.
Wait,
It's somewhere back here. It's over here. It's at like the very top right corner of the map.
what I was trying to do is...
Oh, why is it white? No, wait, that is the thing that... No, that's the thing that the grinder grinded. The grinder did that. Okay, where are you go? Oh my god. I'm showing that thing to heck.
Here it goes. I got the grinder on film, so...
You got it on film? Okay. Oh my gosh, it just got sliced in half. How is it still functioning? It got sliced in half. It's breaking in midair. Do you see the condition it is? It's just the back. On my side, look, it's literally just half it. I'm gonna try to put bombs on it. I'm talking about Barack Obama. No, Gino can't do it. Good.
You just got destroyed.
Where are you, Gavin? Found you. I wish the grinder was back. It's underwater though.
Is it still there?
I actually think it disappeared. You can see it for it's at the very bottom. How do I get it, Gavin?
Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, if I put rocket thrusters right here, and then to the sides, won't it like explode in a different way?
Gavin, help me, it's at the bottom of the ocean. I can't pull it. I have to destroy it. Where are you, Gavin?
Something cursed is about to happen.
What? Something what's gonna happen?
Something cursed is about to happen.
I hear the sounds. No, that's just two trucks having... Where are you? What is this?
I'm over by the helicopters.
Like a helicopter or helicopters?
The helicopter.
The two helicopters or the singular helicopter?
The one that has a whole bunch of thrusters on it.
Where? Where are you? Oh, I see you. You just remade a whole helicopter. It just broke off. What do you mean? Well, hi, George.
Let's see if this will do anything. Go to the crane.
Okay. You're gonna slice me. Oh my gosh. That's a light. Oh my. What'd you do?
Actually, turn to the other one.
It killed itself.
Wait, should I use a rocket booster this time?
Yes.
Oh, it broke. I messed it up. Well, I put it on the very tip.
Yeah, that's like the best spot. Yeah, that'd be the best spot. I know you're gonna chop. Are you still doing it?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, I want to see this.
Ready?
Spin it. You didn't even ignite it all.
It didn't. It didn't even ignite all.
Because you're supposed to be driving it, right? Yeah, see? You already used half of it.
No, I'm gonna get hit.
It broke anyway.
Okay. Reset it. We have to do that. Let's do it with the regular ones. The vehicle boosters.
No! What are vehicle boosters and the other?
The game's like super smooth now and not laggy.
How about you do one with vehicle boosters, the other one without?
Okay. We are not gonna stop. No, I messed up.
There's a piece of wood I want to get rid of because it's really making me angry.
Okay, this just hit me with Ready? I'm gonna do it. Ready?
I actually chopped it in half on my screen. How is it still working? You're going with it.
Okay, we're gonna make this one fly, and then we're gonna do it with the rocket boosters. Okay.
We're gonna chop.
So can we make
So
this
you're
thing like spin and fly at the same time?
That mean we'd have to put a bunch down here. We have to equal it out. I don't know how to do the bottom. From here, I can only see how you can make it do a backflip. Cause no specific way of finding out how. Oh my gosh! Until you mess up. On my screen, you're not even next to it anymore.
Okay, I messed up. Okay.
Yeah, you have to do equal amounts on each side.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to do it.
But that doesn't matter. Oh yeah, you messed that up. Cut it off. Wait, let me cut it off.
Yeah.
Can I cut it off? I did it. Did it cut off?
No.
I cut it off. I don't care about that. Then you have to do the same for the backside.
We're gonna be the first people in Teardown to make something fly. That's not supposed to fly.
That car wasn't supposed to fly.
Yeah, we're gonna become the first people in Teardown to make a crane fly.
I'm gonna put it. The video's gonna be called First World Record. First person to ever.
To a baby.
First person to turn a crane into a baby. I know it's gonna do a backflip, but you know it's.
Oh wait, yeah, you're right. I have to get out. Wait, it's not stopping.
For me, it stopped. Now I'm spinning it.
Wait.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. We got a few seconds of airtime.
I'm moving behind the block.
Yeah. Gavin. I need your help. I have an idea to make it fly. We need the plank. Oh gosh dang.
Like a gas can. this. Up here to the gas cans.
Oh, they're all broken. They all blew up. What are these? Looks like a Titanic. You should make a giant pitchfork out of thrusters.
This thing move. Can I make this thing move?
There's no. I'm not doing any collision to anything. Wait, Gavin, is this falling? Did it fall? Well, yeah. See, I'm not doing any collision. I'm not gonna reload the thing.
Okay, did it fall?
I mean, I already made it fall. Let me kill you. Let me see. Wait, stop. Let me try to kill you.
No.
Okay, fine. Then you kill me.
No.
No, I don't think restarting's gonna fix it.
Mm.
Here, look. Let's test out if it's gonna
One
fix
more
it.
super dumb thing.
Wait, Gavin. Wait. Let's see. Let's see.
This video.
Can you see this? Okay. We should find a little child's house and hide a bunch of nitroglycerin under it, and then blow it up with the little child in it.
No, let's not do that.
Why not do that?
Because this video would get demonetized.
What do you mean it's gonna get demonetized?
Well,
You're not making any money off of it. What do you mean? You get 0 money. How much money you make?
I'm gonna get like two V-Bucks.
None. You're gonna get none. No V-Bucks. No V-Bucks. Okay, wait. I'll be right back. Wait, I'll be right back. Okay.
Okay.
Mama, water.
This is gonna.
Got the water.
Toilet exploder. I have a question.
You cannot kill me. Okay, so
You know what would be the greatest idea ever?
you're gonna be going forward to do this, which means
You know what would be the greatest idea ever?
what?
For the viewers to hit the subscribe button. 1,000 subscribers.
Yeah, that'd be the greatest thing ever.
Yeah, that'd be the greatest thing ever.
That'd be so cool.
And also
Like
the video.
every single one of them. Like, commented, and subscribe.
There's only 10%,
Every single one.
There's only 10% of my viewers are only subscribed to me. So.
You just ruined it, Gavin. You just ruined it. There goes all of them. All of them. They're all disappeared. They're leaving right now.
Oh,
They just clicked off the video.
why?
You know why.
Why?
You know exactly why.
Why?
Have you ever seen a YouTuber that plays Minecraft ever not say that? Exactly. Yeah, I know, you messed it up, you dumb bro.
I did it the wrong way.
You messed it up. Like, what are you doing?
I did it the wrong way.
I'm confused.
I did it the wrong way.
I'm so disappointed.